best part about this job is the people. So it definitely feels like more of a friendly environment. And the days honestly don't even feel like 8-hour days. I think because of the people that you work with.
I like seeing the customer being satisfied, but I also like to be able to work with another guy. That makes the day go a lot faster.
With it being a smaller business, every person is, cared for and made sure that everyone's happy. And yeah, after the end of the day, everyone's satisfied. I feel like just the nature of the job. It's very satisfying to see before and after, like being dirty and then clean.
Working at Revive is great because it's pretty laid back, and there's a bunch of cool dudes out there working with you. And I enjoy walking around the customer and seeing if they enjoy the job that we did for them.
If I had one word to describe Revive, it would probably be a blessing. I've worked here for 7 years now, and it's been nothing but good to me. The owners have always treated me well, and I've just loved the camaraderie with the guys who work here. We always seem to get a good group of guys coming in and working with us. So it's always been a great thing, and I'm very thankful for my job here.